If you've tried every cleanser, every serum, cut dairy, drank 3 gallons of water, and your acne is still winning, trust me, I've been there. I used to wake up dreading the mirror. I'd spend hours researching ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide, benzoyl peroxide. And still nothing worked. Until I stopped chasing miracle products and actually focused on healing my skin barrier. Yep. I stripped it all back, 3 products max. A gentle cleanser. A barrier repair serum. And a non-clogging moisturizer. No actives, no acids, just rest and patience. Within weeks, my skin was calm for the first time in years. If you're losing hope, don't. It's not about doing more, sometimes your skin just needs less. You deserve to feel good in your own skin. If this resonates, like, subscribe, and let's heal together. I'm sharing everything I wish I knew sooner.